Hello everyone, I'm Marcus. Welcome to My Locks News. Before we start, I invite you to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave your comments about the video in the comments section. Let's talk about Bitcoin. Today, Bitcoin is trying again. We've had a slight advance today. Bitcoin has so far respected the parameters I provided in previous videos. This 78.6% retracement was obviously one of the resistance parameters, and basically the maximum for what Bitcoin could do within this wave 4. What I mean is that in this upward movement, we said that if Bitcoin can break above that 30,780 level, that would be our signal that we are in a fifth wave, at least if we can stay above it. Now, Bitcoin didn't even break it. We had a small wick above it. That was all. Therefore, Bitcoin failed, which means it respected the resistance parameters, and therefore it doesn't look very promising at the moment. We just need that follow through at the moment. By the way, tomorrow we have core PCE inflation data. I don't have much hope that it will arouse any interest because the last few times the core PCE came out, it was a bit of a non-event. So I don't have too many hopes that it's going to provoke some volatility, but maybe a little. So let's see. If you don't expect anything, then you can't be disappointed, right? The idea is still that we could be in its fifth wave. So if the price goes up from here, it would fully confirm our primary expectation that we should still get that fifth wave, especially as long as the price stays above 28,546. Below that level, it would suggest that the fifth wave of wave 1 already ended on Friday, but we discussed that extensively in the previous video. So, the 5 waves could have already been completed. They could have been completed on Friday. In that case, this here is coming down further into this wave 2 support area. Then we can get into a wave in the wave 2. At the moment, the idea is that as long as we hold 28,546, this is a fourth wave that could have been completed late yesterday with that small rally today, which could have been the wave 1 of the wave 5, but it's very early. Again, I can't confirm that until the price breaks at least above 30,780. The price maximized what it could do in the wave 4 to the upside without confirming that it's in a wave 5. So yes, the market knows exactly what to do to not give us too many clues. That's what you get in the correction. I really can't do much more in this analysis than really giving you the parameters against which you can trade. The idea is still to go higher against that 50% retracement level. That's the level against which you can measure your risk, because below that level we're not in a wave 4 anymore. We expect a deeper drop in wave 2. Just be aware that just below that, the wave 2 support area starts. So I typically say when I have 2 support areas, I typically measure against the lower one. So 26,190 is the support area and the support level. As long as we're holding this, the idea is we can focus on higher. Only below that, we can look at something more bearish and would have to assume that this wave 2 never finished on June 15th. But as long as we're holding bullish support, we can focus on higher. That was one of the other comments I got, that I'm always too bullish and I don't have a bearish scenario. Well, that's not true. In the last videos, we talked about short-term bearish scenarios. And be aware this could also be a B-wave top. But as long as it's holding bullish support levels, the focus can be on higher. And to be honest, don't complain. I mean, we've been bullish pretty much since the end of November, mid-November, end of November, and Bitcoin has doubled since then. So it was the right decision to be bullish in contrast to many perennial bears out there. So just be aware of that, okay? Of course, we consider bearish options, but they are not worth anything as long as we're holding bullish support. So yes, I still assume we're going to go higher, and Bitcoin would need to break 31,464 to really break above the range. That's all about Bitcoin for now. I hope you liked the update. If so, please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave your comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Until next time.